good evening. We're going to McDonald's and we will try the Thailand McDonald's that we already apply and we will take a look. Let's go.
McDonald's app.
Yes.
Georgi said McDonald's app have in the Thailand also.
Okay, we will try it if it's worth it.
Okay. Shaira, you know why so many people here? Because it's massage. This is massage. Body massage. Sabai Di. Our hotel. Sabai. Sabai Sabana. Our hotel. And this is body massage. Sabai Di. We're going to Central Marina. In Central Marina have McDonald's and KFC also have. Massage, massage, Thai massage. Shaira, let's go. Hi everyone, Georgi already been in this McDonald's, but I go first time in this McDonald's, and Shaira first time. He already been before. This also body massage. Honey too. Honey too body massage. Always so many people there. Okay, Shaira, let's go. We will use McDonald's app. Work until 1 a.m. Now midnight. After 15 minutes we'll close. So it's Thai McDonald's app. How to? You just only change to from Philippines to Thai?
Yes.
Really?
Same login, same your login, yes?
Yes.
Shaira, you also have McDonald's app. So you also can do. No, if Georgi will order, yes.
Okay, it's only one dish with rice.
Okay, you choose, Shaira, what you want. But in menu don't have rice. Only McDonald's app have rice.
No, for you.
Yeah, it's for you.
This for you?
No, the burger.
No, it's rice.
Burger.
No?
Burger. I will try the burger.
You
Ah,
Yeah, I said it.
but okay, which one? Because maybe I want to choose.
you want this?
No.
No, Shaira want.
Yes?
It's 99.
99 baht is about 150 peso.
But it's with nuggets, with burger, with
It's
pretzels.
good. Okay. Georgi, it's for Shaira. Yeah, have second floor also.
So I need to update my McDonald's app on this other.
Yes, you can.
But I don't
Just change to
really.
Thailand, yes. From Philippines to Thailand.
I will try again. So I ordered in McDonald's app a pepper chicken burger with nuggets, fries, and coke. It's only 99 baht. So,
It's about 150 peso.
yes, it's 150 in Philippines, and it's so good.
Shaira, in the Philippines the same or not? Interesting only price.
If it's with nuggets, it's separate.
No,
separate.
same have or don't have?
I don't know how it's separated because if you in McDonald's app in Philippines, you have only one meal.
Okay, better in the Philippines meal or in the Thailand? What? I don't know.
If food or the cheapest, maybe Philippines. But if for the meal like 99 baht, it's okay.
Thank you, Georgi. Georgi bought for me ice cream. Ice cream is 29 baht. How much it in the peso?
But you ordered Sunday chocolate, but don't have chocolate.
No. I will order. I order this one. I think the same. Okay. Oh, street food's working night time. Already not maybe close.
But I also hear
Uh-huh.
street food.
Oh, take a look. So big. McDonald's will close already. This is massage. So many girls inside. Inside Shaira. Massage. Now soon 1 a.m.